Now this is our Firebase app over here. And now here we see build. Now inside this, we are going to click on this storage and we need to wait. Okay, great. Now, as you see over here, it says that upload, and as well as there's an icon button. So first here, we'll click on this icon button. And with this, we'll be able to create a folder over here. So here we'll say question paper images. Okay, so this is the folder that we want to create. So here we'll click add. Okay, great. So the folder has been created. Now it's time to upload images. Okay, so we'll select this. Now here we'll click on upload. Now from here we'll select our images. So we have these 4 images. So we'll select all of them and click over here, and they have been uploaded. That's all. That's as simple as that one. Now we can click on them. You'd be able to view your image, but here it says that loading preview image. But now you click on them and you see that error loading preview. Well, you click over here, it's the same thing. Here it says that permission denied. So we have to set up permission to be able to view them. Okay, so now you need to go ahead and set up the rules to be able to view them. And for this reason, we'll come over here. You see rules. And over here, we need to set up rules. Okay, so we're going to replace this rules with the rules that I'm going to put over here. Okay, so pretty much we are putting this section over here. Everything else, I guess, stays the same. And after that, we are going to publish it. And that's it. Now, let's come over here and click on the folder and click on this. After uploading the images, you might have to wait a few minutes before you can be able to view them. So right now you go ahead and click, you might see these images are here. Okay, all right. So yeah, you might have to wait a few minutes, otherwise you'll get error here. This has to do with the permission, and make sure the rules are correct over here as well, especially whether it is set to true or not. Okay, so this is quite important. So now we'll go back to our Flutter app and see how to view these images from the app itself. By the way, if you click on this image, you'd be able to view them from external link from your app or website from anywhere. So this is another beautiful thing about it. So we'll go back to our Flutter app and try to view them.